Hello everybody, I wanted to just say a quick hello. We're 1 month away from the VantagePoint Power Trader Seminar. It's a 3-day event here in Tampa, Florida, and it is going to be an amazing experience. We do this twice a year. We did it in April, and now we're doing our second one of the year in September. We've got about 40 family members coming, people who are using the VantagePoint software, who are benefiting from it on a daily basis, but who want to take things to that next level. And that's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to be immersion. We're going to work together. It's going to be hands-on, small group settings led by professional traders and VantagePoint instructors. And we're going to have fun. We're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a lot and spend 3 days together. Every single person that I've spoken to who has come to one of our events, they walk out of that event just feeling so much more confident and empowered by what they've learned and how they can take their success to that next level by utilizing the VantagePoint tools that they already have, but now learning new ways to get more benefit from it. So very excited. We're 30 days out, and we had to close the registration for the event because we cap it at a certain number to keep that small feel and that hands-on experience. So we don't have any more seats for the September event. We don't have any more events this year, but we do have dates for 2020. So if you're interested in finding out more information, send me an email, send me a message, contact us, and I'll make sure that we get you all the information that you need. Would love to have you at one of our events if you've never been to one of the events. And if you've been to one of the events, well, then you already know how fantastic it is. And in fact, we have several people at the September event coming up that have been to one of our previous events. So we're gonna have a great time. I wanna also say thank you so much to everyone on the VantagePoint team, everyone who's part of the VantagePoint family. Together, we are making a difference in this world by supporting ourselves, our families, and those in our local community and giving back. And it's all made possible because of the VantagePoint AI engine that we've built and all the success that it's created. Thank you so much, everybody.